In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Fonts to Pandadoc. To get started, sign in to Pandadoc and open the file where you want to use a Google font. You can do this with either a template or a regular document. The process is the same, so choose the one you plan to edit and wait for it to fully load. It helps to open the exact template you use most often, since typography changes can affect the look and spacing of your content. Once you are inside the editor, look for the Design option. It is represented by a paintbrush icon. Click Design to open the style settings for your document. These settings control the overall visual appearance, so changes here can update multiple sections at once and help keep your formatting consistent. Inside the Design panel, select Typography. This is where you manage the fonts used across your document. You will typically see options for things like body text and headings. Choose the area you want to change first. If you want most of your paragraph text to use a new font, select Body Text. If you want titles and section headers to use a different font, select Headings. After selecting body text or headings, find the current font name that is already applied. Click directly on that font name to open the font list. This will show you the available fonts you can choose from. Next, click the option to add a custom font. Then switch to the Google Fonts tab. This is the built-in connection that lets you browse Google Fonts without leaving Pandadoc. In the search field, type the name of the font you want. As you search, confirm you are selecting the correct font family, especially if multiple fonts have similar names. When you find the font you want, click Add Font, then choose Save and Apply. Saving and applying makes sure the font is added to your document and immediately used in the typography setting you selected. After that, take a moment to scan a few pages to confirm spacing and line breaks still look clean, since font changes can slightly shift layout. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.